On our hand this week, when I originally played it, I completely misplayed it and relied on just one suit. And as we all know, you shouldn't just rely on one suit if there are more than one option. West played the King of Diamonds and then switched to a heart, the Queen. What to do? Well, what I did was I drew trumps and then I relied on all the clubs coming in. Got 9 clubs between us, and I thought I could lose 1 spade and 2 hearts, and I proceeded to draw trumps and then start on clubs, but that was too late. If clubs are 4-0, then I need to have an extra string to my bow, and the extra string to my bow is the spade suit. So I will rely on the clubs, but I will test the spades nevertheless. So first thing to do is to continue drawing trump. You're pleased to see both opponents follow suit, knowing that the hearts can't be worse than 4-2. You now play another heart, the 10, and the hearts were 4-2, and East comes back, the ace of diamonds, which you are able to trump. You now draw the last trump, throwing the club, and now you give the options of the spade. If the spades are unfriendly, we can still rely on the clubs. So we now play a spade, which knocks out the ace, and not unreasonably, East forces out our last trump. We now play a club. We discover that the clubs were 4-0 from the beginning. We now play another club, and then another club to the ace, noticing that the jack has fallen, and it seems West was in a black suit squeeze and couldn't hold on to the spades or the clubs. So we now cash the winning club and over to the ace, the King of Spades. Even though West had 4 clubs, West was unable to protect his jack of spades and his clubs. We made 5 trumps, eventually 4 clubs because West was squeezed, and 1 spade, bringing our tally to 10 tricks. We didn't just rely on the clubs, we thought about getting extra tricks from spades.